The Wahl Magic Clip Cordless is renowned for its exceptional stagger-tooth blade, which ensures seamless blending and precise fades, making it a favorite among professionals. Its cordless convenience is a standout feature, with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery providing over 100 minutes of runtime, enhancing both flexibility and efficiency. Weighing only 10 ounces, this hair clipper is both durable and lightweight, making it ideal for all-day professional use without causing fatigue. This complete kit includes 8 attachment combs, a recharging transformer, cleaning brush, blade oil, and operating instructions, offering everything needed for a versatile haircutting experience. Designed with an ergonomic grip and an adjustable taper lever, the Wahl Magic Clip ensures comfortable and controlled use, catering to the needs of professionals. Proudly made in the USA, the Wahl Magic Clip Cordless reflects the brand's commitment to quality and performance in the field of hair grooming.